Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be going through a journey of a seed turning into an adult plant. So, let's begin. First, let's understand what's monocot and what's dicot. Let's start with monocot. Monocot is nothing but a seed which has one cotyledon like corn or also known as maize. Now let's begin with dicot. Dicot is nothing but a seed which has two cotyledons like mustard. Now you might be wondering what a cotyledon means. So cotyledon is nothing but they are like a tube for the plant where the baby plant the leaves will be still growing, and it will not have chlorophyll, so it can't absorb sunlight and make its own food. So we have done a little experiment of putting seed inside soil or cotton and waiting patiently until it gave sprouts. Like I just planted mustard and in cotton and waited, and they look like this now. Well, they gave a little sprout. Okay, then I planted wheat. I planted wheat. Well, I tried planted wheat. Well, it is like looking like this, which will grow into a plant. It will grow into a plant and give us wheat seeds. Then we have to just peel off the skin and we need to put it in the grinder. And they will give us pure wheat. And now you might be wondering what chlorophyll means. So chlorophyll is nothing but which makes the plant look green. It gives the color for the plant. Now let's understand the life cycle of a small seed turning into an adult plant. Now, so first we need to have a pot. Like you can take any pot. I'm just going to take this pot for example. Then we can put mustard, corn, or wheat, or even onion. So I planted onion in this one. You just need to fill it with soil. Then you need to just put it in, then cover it, and only this thing should be visible. Now, then you need to water it every day. Well, you need to water it every day, and you can. Then you will get then it will grow into an adult plant it will be very healthy, and it will grow into an adult plant. And then you will get healthy fruits and vegetables from your garden, from your own garden which you just made. Like I just grew a bit of onion as I showed, and it's gonna grow. But until I do pollination, it won't give out onions. Well, now you will get fruits and veggies, and now I'm going to let Vishal Seshadri to make the concept of wheat go further. I'm going to let Vishal Seshadri take place of me and continue and tell more facts.
Hey guys, I'm back. So she mentioned, as you guys know, she mentioned about pollination, but she did not complete the statement. So pollination, it can it can be done in two ways. First, it can be done naturally, and it can be done by humans. For example, mango tree. I mean, not mango, apple tree. First, you keep it outside. Okay, you plant the seed of an apple. It grows into a plant, but when it becomes a tree, it will have only the flowers. And you know why it won't give any apples? Because you need to do pollination, but you can't reach to the top, so the insects will do the pollination because it can fly. Some few insects can fly, so it can do pollination easily, and you can get apples. And for humans to pollinate, vanilla, it should be pollinated by humans. It can't be pollinated by insects. So you need to pollinate it. I will tell you how to pollinate. First, you take a brush, then you take the yellow things in the flower, then put it in the other flower next to any flower after picking the yellow thing. Then the vanilla pods will grow, and then you have to cut it, and then you have to make it, you can open it, and then you can make it into anything like vanilla liquid. And for example, it's used in ice creams, vanilla. They'll use vanilla liquid, and for cake flavorings also they will use vanilla liquid. So we are done with pollination. Now, as you can see, this is a potato. So this is a potato, which it's a potato, and as you can see, the sprouts, they are coming out of the potato. And if you plant it in soil, these will grow up, the green color things which you can see here, into something. And then below that, when you put your hand and take it out, it will be underground, and you will get a fresh, healthy potato. And so this is because it grows underground. This is not a stem. This is not a root. This is actually a modified stem. So this is the fact about potato. Now as you can see an onion here. Can you see the green color coming out of the onion? If you plant this in soil and let only the sprouts out, it's going to grow into a plant, and then you will get more onions. Now you have to do pollination or let the insects do the pollination, and underground you will get more. This is actually a stem. You will get more onions. This is a root actually. Sorry, I said stem. This is actually a root. It grows underground. Okay, and you will get from one onion, you will get many onions. So that's it. And then I finished the pollination. I finished about modified roots. And oh yeah, about chlorophyll. I need to explain it about chlorophyll. I think Vaishnavi. Okay, so chlorophyll. Do you know why the leaves are green? Because the chlorophyll is giving the color to it. So have you seen few plants which does not have chlorophyll, which is purple? So purple in color. So that it can't make its own food, and so you need to keep the plant next to a green color plant. Like for example, next to this plant. We can keep it next to this plant. So the purple color plant will take the food from this plant and the main part of chlorophyll, it's named as the main function of chlorophyll is it absorbs sunlight. It absorbs sunlight for the plant to make food. So it's like grocery. It's like grocery bringer to the leaves, which is the cook. For example, somebody is bringing food items from the storage to the chef. Like that, the chlorophyll is bringing one ingredient for the chef, which is the leaves. So that's our chlorophyll, and that's it. So bye guys, see you guys in the next video. The next video is going to be about life lessons we have learned through.
We have learned this far.
This far. So bye guys.
See you in the next video.
Bye.